One trader thought he could outsmart the biggest political event of the year. Another held on to hope for just one more night and woke up $90,000 poorer.
I lost $90,000 today, bro.
From forgotten stop losses to emotional revenge trades, these are 7 live trading disasters that spiraled completely out of control. And in every single case, the warning signs were there. They just didn't realize it until it was too late. This crypto trader leaves his computer completely unattended while holding a high leverage position on Solana. While he is away, a flash crash hits. He returns to his desk to find a $40,000 hole in his balance.
That $40,000?
He completely fractures, screaming at his screen in frozen disbelief.
My balance. God. I don't believe it.
If you trade volatile crypto without hard-coded stop orders on the broker side, you are playing financial Russian roulette.
Seconds.
Solana. Close.
Next up is a textbook case of revenge trading. Danny's trade starts his session down $4,500. Because he remembers being up 11 grand earlier, his brain enters a dangerous trap. He thinks he deserves that money back.
I am upset at myself. I'm a victim to that FOMO. I was up, right? I was up 11K. I over leveraged just to come back, and I walked away from my screen. I even set a stop loss, nothing. Now that's gambling. So guess what? I'm gonna keep going.
He fights a roaring market rally by blindly shorting it. He gets a brief flash of profit, but the second the market turns around and hits his stop, he snaps.
Don't be giving me any crap for that. Damn it, dude. I always do stupid shit, man. Why am I trading like this today? Why am I not taking my TPs?
He enters an even bigger short position out of spite.
You guys are watching me crash out live.
And abandons his desk entirely.
If we get pulled out, I have to end the live. I can't go more steep. Hold on. Be right back. Yo. I know I'm up because I was watching my stream on Trader Joe's phone, and I'm going to keep holding this. We're going full degen here. Imagine this just hits my stop loss. That'd be so funny right now. I think we go to the bottom now. So guess what? I'm going to take the risk.
Letting his account get liquidated while his chair sits completely empty.
Guys, my friend Danny's trades he's down bad right now. He's not doing well. Pray for him. We hope the best for him. It's not going well, guys. Stream's over with, guys.
Speed can be deadly in futures trading. TJR Trades jumps into a long position on the NASDAQ.
We really got to start making some money.
But because he is rushing the setup under pressure, he commits the absolute gravest sin in trading.
I just want to long off this bitch right now, dude. It's like I know where it wants to go. It's ready to fire. I'm going to give this some room to work, though, because we very well can come down and then create an SMT off these lows. Crazy because I haven't even set a stop loss yet.
He fails to attach a stop loss to his entry order. The market senses the vulnerability and plunges instantly.
I'm going to put it underneath those lows though. Now, what the bro?
Trapped in a massive $40,000 hole, he tries to double down to lower his average cost.
I'm only down 40K right now. I would like to mitigate the risk a lot.
The market chops sideways before slamming lower one last time, hitting his emergency stop and whacking him for a massive minus $87,000.
$87,000. Oh man. This week has been bad, bro. And this month, we're down 113K.
Trading major world events is the financial equivalent of touching a hot stove. This trader attempts to scalp a highly speculative political token right as the presidential inauguration ceremony begins live.
Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I, Donald John Trump, do solemnly swear.
I, Donald John Trump, do solemnly swear.
The exact second the official oath of office starts, institutional players take their profit, and the liquidity pool instantly vanishes. You can watch his face freeze as the price drops vertically in a matter of seconds. Next is the danger of letting an active trade turn into an emotional relationship.
Well, I mean, market up there right now, we are probably around break even. I mean, we're around break even. So we're up $15,000 right now.
This swing trader enters a massive short position on the New Zealand dollar and leaves it riding overnight.
I mean, dude, right now we're in this trade right now, and I'm currently in drawdown. $74,000. Why are you going the opposite way? Why? Bro, I waited for the retracement. I waited for the engulfing. I stayed up last night and done the session. What did I do wrong?
He wakes up to a massive $74,000 drawdown. Instead of cutting it, his brain enters denial.
I think this high right here, holy fuck. We really almost got wicked out in this market. Looking pretty solid. I'm gonna continue to hold this trade.
The market briefly spares his life by dropping back down.
I'm gonna fall asleep right now, and I'm gonna wake up tomorrow, and this is either gonna be at my take profit or at my stop loss.
But instead of taking his escape route, his ego locks him down. He holds for a second night and wakes up to a brutal $90,000 wipeout.
I literally go from waking up in the middle of the night to being nearly 100 grand in profit. I lost $90,000 today, bro. So losing $90,000 on a position that was just a losing position.
Even decades of experience cannot protect you from a bad day. Ross Cameron is already comfortably green on the session when he buys a standard pullback setup.
GCT is a squeeze up to 26.
Instead of a breakout, he runs directly into a wall of institutional sellers, taking an instant $2,300 hit.
So bought the dip there on GCT. Now I'm going to watch to add over 75 and 80. We're still on a little bit of a pullback.
Determined to make the trade work, Ross breaks his rules and sizes heavily into a secondary bounce.
It's a good bounce that's showing some good momentum. When we get the break through 26.50, I can be adding at that level and sizing up for the squeeze up to 28.70. That's the target, 28.70. So I think this is one that you got to buckle up on a little bit.
The stock fails a second time, flipping his entire day from up 3 grand to down $6,000 on the session. Fine.
I got to cut it loose. It's just pulling back too much. So I got to be a little careful here. I went from up 3 grand to down 6. This is the first red day that I've had since July. The struggle here is real for sure on this stock. 2 back-to-back losses.
Finally, we look at the dangerous psychology of paper wealth. Crypto streamer Jadudu is holding a highly profitable Bitcoin long position. She starts celebrating and fantasizing about the profit, choosing to let the trade ride overnight without locking it in. While she slept, her unrealized gains peaked at $2,000, but a violent morning reversal liquidates her entire account down to under $200. In a state of total despair, she plays back the recorded market tape on stream. Falling to her hands and knees in pure panic. If you trade without a plan, let your ego rule your position sizing, or leave your desk without a stop loss, the market will take your money. Which of these mental breakdowns was the most eye-opening for you? Drop your thoughts below, hit subscribe to protect your account capital, and we'll see you in the next analysis.